Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I got a request, actually two requests, to connect an amp meter to the new 12-volt controller running the Mercury. It's rated at 1 amp, and as you see, the Mercury is pulling 2.7 amps out of this 1 amp power supply. So, it's not tripping the breaker, and it's not even warm. So there's a lot more current in that power supply than is on the label, that's for sure. It's holding steady between 2.6 and 2.7 amps. As you see, running perfectly. Take it a bit faster. Right at 3 amps now. So it's not tripping the breaker. It's thermally protected. That's not shutting it down. So obviously it's not getting hot, and is able to supply all the voltage this locomotive is requiring, as you see, which according to this meter is right at 3 amps. Now the Mercury has the highest amp draw of any locomotive I tested. So let's slow this down. Back to 2.7, 2.8 amps, something like that. Let's really slow it down. All right. 2.3 amps. So obviously this power supply is putting out more than 1 amp. There's no doubt about that. As you see, the Mercury is running splendidly on this, even at these speeds. Alright, let's take it back up to speed. Okay, about 2.6 amps, that's a nominal speed. A bit faster perhaps. So as you see, it's definitely putting out enough power to supply the needs of this Marx Mercury. According to this, it's pulling 2.7 amps out of a 1 amp power supply. Like I said, it's thermally protected. It's not shutting down. It's not popping the breaker, so it's not overloaded. And I can just now feel that it's warm. So, in any case, for any standard Marx locomotive or Lionel locomotive, this is more than enough to run a single track, no doubt. Again, it will not cycle the E unit. You have to actually interrupt the voltage going to the track or going to the power supply. But it's running this with no problems at all. So, in any case, I just wanted to do a quick video. So as I said, there's a lot more power in this power supply than is listed on that label, that's for sure. It says 1 amp, and we're pulling almost 3 out of it. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.